everyone, I am Rini and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am gonna be sharing with you guys my top 5 favorite foundations. I am gonna give you a quick review on these. So all these products are my tried and trusted products, and yeah, I have divided these foundation into two categories like high-end foundation and drugstore foundation. The products which I am gonna be talking in this video, the links and names of those products will be mentioned in the description box. Okay, so without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, the first foundation is this, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. Now it retails for 550 rupees and I'm in the shade 128 warm nude, and I think there are 14 shades available in this range, so definitely you will gonna find out your perfect match. Now this foundation claims that it is suitable for normal to oily skin, but I would like to say that guys, it is suitable for oily skin people as well as dry skin people, and my dry skin girls, you should definitely use a good amount of moisturizer before applying this foundation. This foundation gives you a medium to full coverage guys. The consistency of these products is neither too thick or thin, so you can apply it with your damp beauty sponge, brush, or you can use your fingers. Now these products last you for a very long time, like 6 to 7 hours, and it doesn't make your skin feel like cakey or patchy, and it's a lightweight foundation guys. And my girls with oily skin, you are gonna love this foundation. So it really mattifies your skin. And yeah, if you are looking for a good foundation in affordable price range, I think you should try this one out. Okay, now moving on to the next product, I have this L'Oreal Infallible Matte Coverage 24-hour foundation guys. Now this one retails for 750 rupees and I'm in the shade 105 Natural Base, and I think there are 17 shades available in this range. And this foundation is best for my oily skin girls as it mattifies your skin, and my dry skin girls, you should stay away from this foundation. The consistency of this foundation is quite thick, so you can apply it with a damp beauty sponge or brush, or you can use your fingers. The coverage of this foundation is medium to high. Again, you can build it up and it gives you a like full coverage, and it really hides your acne, blemishes, hyperpigmentation and dark circle. Now this product does last you for a very long time, like 8 to 9 hours. So my girls with oily skin, you are definitely gonna love this foundation. And yeah, if you are looking for a good foundation like in 750 range, I think you should try this one out. Alright, moving on to the next product, I have this LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Pro Longwear Illuminating Foundation guys. Now this one retails for 1250 and I am in the shade Natural, and I think there are 13 shades available in this range. Now this foundation is best for dry skin people as it gives you a dewy kind of finish. Yeah, my oily skin girls, this foundation is not for you. Consistency of this foundation is quite thin, so you can easily blend it with your damp beauty sponge or brush, or you can use your fingers. This foundation gives you a light to medium coverage and very sheer like coverage. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't feel heavy or cakey or patchy on your skin, and you can apply maximum 2 coats of this foundation. It's a very hydrating kind of foundation. It really lasts for 6 to 7 hours. And my dry skin girls, if you are looking for a good foundation like in 1000 to 1500 range, I think you should definitely try this one. Alright, moving on to the high-end foundation category, I have this MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. Now this foundation retails for 2900 and I'm in the shade NC30, and I think there are 45 shades available in this foundation, and I'm sure you definitely gonna find out your perfect match. Now this foundation is suitable for my oily skin girls as well as my dry skin girls, and my dry skin girls, you should definitely use a good amount of moisturizer before applying this foundation. The consistency of these products is neither too thick or thin, so you can easily apply it on your face using your beauty sponge or brush, and this foundation gives you a medium to full coverage. Now the foundation really lasts you for a very long time, like 8 to 9 hours. It doesn't make your skin feel like heavy or patchy, and it's quite breathable foundation guys. In high-end category, I think MAC is the best. Yeah, if you are looking for a good foundation in high-end range, I think you should try this one out. Alright, moving on to the next foundation, I have this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation guys. Now this one retails for 3500 and I'm in the shade Pure Beige, and there are I think 50 shades available in this range if I am not wrong. And this foundation gives you a very full coverage guys. You don't need to apply any kind of concealer after applying this. Now the consistency of this foundation is quite thick, so you need to apply it with your damp beauty sponge or brush. Now this product is sweat proof, transfer proof, and this foundation really sits on your skin very quickly. So I think this foundation is quite suitable for brides. It claims that it's a 24-hour foundation guys, and I can say this product lasts you for a really very long time, literally for 24 hours. And this product is transfer proof and sweat proof, so you can use it on your wedding day. Now this product is a cult favorite product guys. I don't need to talk much about it. Alright, here I want to add one more foundation guys. That one is Smashbox Hydrating Foundation, and that one retails for I think 3300 and I am in the shade 2.4. I have tried that foundation guys, and I can say that one is really hydrating, and I think in high-end range like 3300, if my dry girls, if you are looking for a good foundation, then I think you should try that one out. So yeah, that's all for today's video you guys. I really hope this video will help you in some way to choose your foundation. Now if you love this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And yeah guys, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. There also I keep posting many makeup and beauty related content. So yeah, thanks for watching this video you guys. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.